I'm Michelle Wilson with First Team Real Estate. Standing here today in the Vista Pacifica community in San Clemente, I've sold a lot of homes here. This particular home, hands down, is the most updated and amazing unit I've ever had the privilege of selling. Let's take a look. In addition to all of the amazing finishes this home has to offer, it also features a ground level location, super convenient for getting to your fabulous home. And let's not forget, the most amazing part of this home are these stunning ocean views from nearly every room in your house. When they did the remodel on this home, they thought of everything and stopped at nothing. So in addition to having all new windows, doors, flooring, paint, they reimagined the kitchen, and both bathrooms are completely remodeled, featuring dual sink vanities, something that is never seen at the homes here in Vista Pacifica. Life here at Vista Pacifica is pretty great. In addition to these amazing views, you also get to enjoy the use of 2 pools and 2 spas. And amazingly enough, there's even RV and boat parking. Amazing for a community like this. Not only that, but your 5 minutes, toes in the sand, 10 minutes to all things San Clemente, including the pier, beaches, and world-class surfing. You must see this home. Call me today.